Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to our course, ReactJS Portfolio Website Development for Teens. Today we are on lesson 1.6, which talks about the hero section. Today we're going to be talking about the hero section, on what is the hero section, what it does. So here are the learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, you should have mastered these techniques. You should have mastered the following things. So let's define what is hero section. A hero section is the first section visitors see when they open a website. If it was a web application, we would be saying it's the landing page. So on a portfolio is the section where they reach first when they open your portfolio website for the first time. So we can take an example of this portfolio by Alfred Marco. So this is the hero section, which mentions the name of the owner of the website and the role, the professional role in the about section. This is what we call the hero section. So in short, the hero section is the home party of the website or the web application. It introduces who you are. It introduces what you do, why visitors should continue exploring. So if you don't create the hero section well, then the viewers or the visitors may find it not necessary to visit, to continue exploring your website, to continue exploring your portfolio. So the hero section must be appetizing. It must be something. It must something which gives a person the zeal to continue reading, to continue exploring, to continue having the zeal of wanting to know what he or she might see when he or she continues exploring it. So if it's boring, then it chases away potential employers and potential people who can give you the job. So an example of a hero section, the hero section we once talked about, is to give the full name, the professional title, the short biography, or profile image. So let's demonstrate. Let's give the demonstration on how to create the hero section, on what chap is supposed to be on the hero section. So we are going to take you to the we're going to take you to the Visual Studio Code. So we're going to create our hero section with the examples we give we were given on our notes. So let's explore, let's create the hero section so we can see our portfolio. As of now, we've got these things on our portfolio. We've got the nav bar and we've got the greeting section. So we want to create the hero section, which talks about who owns this website, what does the person does. So this is what we are going to see as we progress with, with our development. So, so our heroes component is found on the components folder. That's where we put our hero because it is a component which it is one of the components we were talking about, which describes who we are, so we can use it wherever we want because it's a component. We export and we import it. So in creating the component, don't forget that don't forget to export don't forget to export after creating a component, because if you don't export it, then it won't be seen. So here you can see, oh, that's hello, my name is Alfred Makura, a front-end developer. I build modern responsive and visually engaging web experiences using ReactJS. So this is the section which is going to be displayed on the screen, as once talked about what is retained on the screen. So this is what's going to be retained. So let's see if our web page have updated. So let's visit so we can see it is updated. Our web page has been updated. Hello, my name is Alfred Makura. You can see it now describes about who Alfred Makura is, the professional role, what he does in the contact section and the view project. Here you can view the contact details. Here you can view the projects which it's been created by Alfred Makura. So this is the hero section. So let's go back to our code. We need to talk about something. As I was saying, if you want to put the profile picture, you need to import the image from the assets, and you must import exactly the name of the image that you want to use as the profile picture. Because if you don't import that image, it will break. So you need to import it. So we're talking here. Here is the introduction. The hero intro, the hero name. The hero intro is hello, my name is the name, hero name Alfred Makura. Hero title, front-end developer. The hero bio. This is the bio which talks about what to do. And also there's the hero patrol, contact me. And then another hero patrol, view projects. So after creating your hero section, you need to export it. If you don't export it, it won't be imported on the app.js. And also after creating this hero page, you will need to import it on the app.js file. Because if you don't import it, it will not appear on the screen. It will remain as a component which will be stored somewhere else and not viewed. It's like if we are at home, we'll be just give it as an example of the display which is hidden inside the hoop. You won't see it. So, and also you, after importing it, in order for it to be displayed on the screen, you must instruct it to return and then zero section here. So this is how we are going to import the hero section to be displayed on the screen. And also everything you are going to style is going to be styled, or you are going to import the app CSS file. That's where everything is there. For example, here is the section as an app bar. That's where the name bar is styled, even the buttons, the colors, the button hover, the hero section. From the hero section, here is the section where you're going to start putting the colors you want and where you want it to be put, where you want it to be located, all those, the padding, the alignment, the caps, and the fonts, all those you can start with here. Because if you don't start with it, will be just scattered. So when creating every component, don't forget to come and update the app CSS file as well. Because if you don't update it, your codes, your what will be displayed on the screen will be just scattered in haphazard. So you will need to style it so that it becomes you need to style it so that it becomes visible to everyone. So that's all. So that's all about the hero section, what we were talking about. So the recruiters often spends less time reviewing the portfolio homepage. So a strong hero section should clearly communicate of the things, of the following things that I once talked about. It must clearly communicate about who you are, what you do, and what value do you provide. Because a clear communication to the recruiters will give them the zeal to continue exploring your portfolio or to just quit and leave it as it is. So after this lesson, just try the following things. Just try to create a hero section with your name, career goal, interest, and personal call to action with the following uh, styles. That's all about the hero section. We meet on the next lesson where we will be talking about the about and skills components. So I can't wait to see you on the next lesson. Enjoy learning. Thank you.